If you are exploring a career in data science or AI, you have likely come across a number of different programming languages. Python, in particular, is one of the most popular and most widely used language in the field. The reason for its popularity is that it's simple, versatile, and easy to learn and use. It comes with a rich set of tools for data analysis, machine learning, and AI, which makes it a top choice of language for data scientists. Now, the question is Python necessary to learn? The simple answer is yes. You will hardly come across any data science position or job description that doesn't require Python skills. In fact, in my opinion, Python is the first skill that you should learn when you're starting to learn data science skills. Also, as artificial intelligence and machine learning become increasingly prevalent, having strong foundation in Python will be essential. Hi, I'm Sophia, and in this Python programming for data science series, I am going to teach you all the fundamentals that you will need to begin working with Python. I have designed this course for beginners, so you don't need to have any prior math, stats, or programming experience. I will not only teach you the fundamentals of Python, but also how Python can be used in real-world scenarios like data analysis, machine learning, and AI-based projects. I will also give you exercises and practice problems at the end of every video so that you not only build your foundation in Python, but also become expert in it. So that is the introduction to our Python programming for data science series. In the next video, we will install Python on our machines and begin learning. See you there.